i1Profiler includes a special printing profiling workflow called OBC Profiling. OBC is the acronym for Optical Brightener Compensation. Many of today's printing papers contain optical brighteners, which can lead to an unwanted bluish gray balance in our printer profile. One way to compensate for this undesired effect is to build a profile from M2 measurement data. The measurement condition M2 specifies a UV cut filter which eliminates the effect of optical brighteners when measuring the profiling patch set. When this is done, the resulting profile has a neutral gray balance. However, for certain use cases, the results, when using the M2 measurement condition, may yield an undesired appearance. The OBC profiling workflow allows us to compensate for the effects of optical brighteners based on a visual assessment by the user. It is selectable for RGB and CMYK printers. OBC profiles are built just like other profiles, but there is an extra step where a gray balance chart is dynamically generated from the measurement data of the test chart printed for profiling. The gray color variations in the gray balance chart depend on the level of optical brighteners detected in the measurement data from the profiling test chart. The higher the optical brightener amount, the stronger the gray color variations. The user will print the gray balance chart without any color management applied, and then compare the printed results to the neutral gray reference patches on the color checker proof chart and tell the software which of the printed gray patches best match the reference gray patches. Based on this input, the optical brightener influences in the measurement data will be compensated for. This works perfectly because the human eye is very sensitive to color shifts and differences in grays. Color checker proof charts are included in the i1 Photo Pro 3 and i1 Publish Pro 3 product bundles.